Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Judge.me product reviews for Shopify step by step clearly. To authorize Judge.me product reviews for Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, locate and select the Judge.me app. Once the Judge.me app opens, find the Settings tab at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click on the Settings tab to enter the configuration area. Within the settings, look for the Authorization section. Select the Connect button to link your Judge.me account with your Shopify store. You will be prompted to sign in using your Judge.me account credentials. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for Judge.me to access your store. Confirm the authorization by following any on-screen instructions. Wait a moment for the system to process the authorization. Once completed, you should see a success message indicating that Judge.me is authorized. Return to the Judge.me main dashboard in your app. Now, navigate to the Reviews section to manage your product reviews. Customize your review settings according to your preferences. To start collecting reviews, ensure that the review request email settings are configured properly. You can also preview how the reviews will appear on your storefront. For further customization, explore other settings such as display options and integration features. After finalizing your setup, you are now ready to start collecting product reviews through Judge.me. Monitor the Reviews section regularly to engage with customer feedback. This concludes the authorization process for Judge.me product reviews on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.